Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm interviewing a Mayan woman who lives in the tropical rainforest. And these women suffered from the deforestation. Good evening. What's your name? Okay. So, and why are you so proud of your hut? Alright. But is it true that you killed one of the panthers which escaped from the rainforest? Can you show it to us? Now she's shown us the panther which she's killed and her last. Okay, so you killed the panther by yourself. Okay, this was Fernando for GBC News. Maybe she wants to show her head. This was Fernando from GBC News. Back to the studio.